All right, we give you a BOGO here. How about that? Because it's like buy one, get one. Yeah, you got rain. You still have some flooding to have to contend with, unfortunately. Lingering showers, but the flooding does subside throughout the day. Warmer, less humid by tomorrow, so we're making some progress. However, the caveat, more rain later on in the day. But you know what? Later on in the week, we have more rain, but we actually need it. We'll explain. Right now, still some strong updrafts, some heavy-duty stuff coming through. It's actually shifted. Now, Lake Carmel as well as New Fairfield getting about close to a half an inch per hour. When you really crunch the numbers there, that's pretty significant on top of what we've already gotten. Rainfall totals, these are radar estimated around Central Park area, just shy of 2 inches. We talked about record rainfall for Newark yesterday. We're going to even add to that. If you're in Morris Heights, the Bronx, 2.5 inches. And we're going to give you another BOGO. We got buy one, get three. As you can see, 2.3 inches of rain. Comac, 2.8 South Huntington, about 1.5 inches Dix Hills so far. Again, National Weather Service will update you, us on the official numbers, and we'll bring you those official totals later on. But I wanted to point your attention to our drought monitor. This updates every Thursday, and we are at a significant deficit. As a matter of fact, severe drought highlighted in your brown. The beige color, a little bit more moderate. Yellow, wherever you see yellow, that's just abnormally dry. We're going to round this to the nearest tenths. 17.4 so far for the year. Central Park, we're at a deficit by over 5 inches. JFK, the same deal. I mean, it's pretty unanimous that we are below average all around. For the month of June, though, actually not so bad. 0.7 inches. So we shrunk that gap just a little bit. Temperature category, we are at a surplus. So warmer than normal by a couple degrees. So, you know, we'll take it because that was a larger margin before. So have the umbrella handy right through the morning commute. As a matter of fact, throughout the day, although we'll get some breaks in between around lunchtime. If you're in the city, grab lunch. You shouldn't need your umbrella. But if you're in the Hudson Valley, Orange, Putnam, Dutchess, even northern Westchester, Rockland County, you probably need the rain gear. And then a little bit of a break for most. But for some, around 3 o'clock, that ride home may be a little bit damp as well. Headed to any outdoor activities, games, anything like that, you should be okay later on this evening. However, there are some more showers moving through the area, so it really does depend on your location where you're headed. Especially Long Island, it'll take a little bit longer for you guys to be free and clear from the rain for the time being. Here is a look at rainfall totals. This is what we have to go, so close to 1/4 inch is possible, less north and west. Current temperature readings, upper 60s, low 70s, and we'll stay in that pocket, low 70s. And for tonight, mainly 50s and 60s. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. And my friends, this is where we're going to leave it. Make sure you have the umbrella, allow plenty of extra travel time. Be careful. There's still some fog to have to contend with, but we do see those numbers rise. 80s, finally. More showers and storms later in the week.